Hi, it's Ken Haedrich, Dean of the Pie Academy, and welcome to 2022. So here we are in January, and it's a big month at the Pie Academy. First, we're celebrating the re-release of my book, Dinner Pies, this month in a gorgeous new quality paperback format and with a new title. Now we're calling it Savory Dinner Pies. Now, the book's official pub date is January 18th, but if you can't wait, you can pre-order it now from your favorite online or brick-and-mortar store. Now, I'll put a link to the book below so you can check it out. So to coincide with the re-release, we're kicking off the 2022 live online class schedule with 2 savory pie classes. That makes sense, doesn't it? The first of these, on January 16th, is a comfort food classic that everybody loves, chicken pot pies. I mean, just hearing chicken pot pies makes you feel all warm and cozy all over, doesn't it? You'll feel like you've earned a master's degree in chicken pot pie with this class. We're going to look at everything from cooking the chicken, you can use a rotisserie chicken, to making a big double crust pie for a crowd. If you're into making individual size pies, like a lot of us are, we'll go there too. These make great freeze and bake entrees. I love pulling a couple of these out of the freezer for Bev and I when I'm just not in the mood to cook dinner. And for those times when you want to take a shortcut and skip the bottom crust and maybe stretch the filling, I'll show you a few ways to do that too. Now, on January 30th, we're doing a class all about Savory Winter Galettes. Think of a savory galette as sort of a laid-back pastry pizza, but instead of tomato sauce, we'll typically deck them out with a variety of cheeses and healthy ingredients like fresh greens, marinated veggies like artichoke hearts, and other good stuff like that. These are low-stress dishes because there's no precision rolling involved or special pans required. We just fold over the edge of the pastry to keep everything enclosed. And if you think this one looks fabulous, wait till you see the creamy potato galette we're going to make in class. Now, if all that doesn't sound irresistible enough, we'll be giving away copies of Savory Dinner Pies and our famous Pie Academy tote as well. So sign up at the link below, and do notice that we have a special bundle price if you come to both classes. And remember, don't worry if the live time slots don't work great for you, because you get lifetime access to the recipes and the class replay. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in class.